but also you can do it with one hand. Wow, without almost thinking about it. I promise you guys I'm gonna do a full review of this knife. I don't know nothing about this maker. My first one, certificate are perfect by an authorized representative of JC James Knife Company. So that's all it is, a little card. Doesn't really tell you nothing about the knife. Just a little card. That's fine. I love the little shrink wrap over here. That's quite unique. And yeah, carbon fiber. I have something to compare over here that I showed you guys before. This one, a cheaper one, is a trifold. They make a lot of them, but you see how slow it is? There's a blend of this one. It's a pretty nice knife over here. It's not really flippy. This one right here, super like playful. And look at that blade thickness. Yeah, that's definitely not even close to that one. I guess there's no playfulness. This is like double the size of a knife. And again, when you hold it right here, there's a playfulness inside here. That's just nature of a knife. I guess whenever you're holding it, it's not gonna be a big deal. Just a little bit movable part over here. That's it, but I love the blade. Tanto, right? Is that the name of it? Anything else? There's an engraved logo on this side too. Doesn't tell you anything. Anyways, online you can look up what it's made of. Different knives. They have different same knives, different type of materials. But yeah, it is super fun knife over here. Even when you grab it, look, I just wanna fly open. Just gotta help it a little bit. So you can even kind of open it this way and close it this way too. Just a little bit different. Yeah, what do you guys think? Super smooth. You know what, it doesn't even bother me that this handle is a little bit movable over here. Look at that. Just a different way to close it and open it. It's quite fun. Yeah, very unique. Obviously with two hands it's pretty quickly too. You can open it this way and this way. Super fast. But also you can do it with one hand. Wow, without almost thinking about it. Definitely not a balisong, but pretty fun for sure. I got this knife for sale for around $200 plus taxes, shipping, whatever. So around $200, maybe more. Depends where you buy it. So yeah, super cool knife.